Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing week. Today I will be unboxing and setting up the new BenQ Screen Bar Halo. It's one of the best LED monitor lights on the market at the moment, and I've wanted to upgrade the lighting at my desk for a while now. I've actually been getting eye strain from unbalanced lights around my desk, especially when working late at night, so I think this product will be really helpful for me. I'm really excited to start using this LED monitor light, so let's get started with the unboxing. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to drop me a comment down below. I received the webcam accessory as part of a bundle with the Screen Bar Halo. I think this will come really in handy because it's essentially an adapter that allows you to mount your webcam onto the monitor light. It comes in two pieces as it features a metallic sticker and a magnetic adapter that allows you to easily adjust your webcam position. Let's pop this aside for now and we will get back to this later when we can actually mount it onto the screen bar. I ended up choosing the Screen Bar Halo, which is the most premium in the lineup of screen lights, as it has so many useful features that really make it stand out compared to the older models. It features an asymmetric optical design that illuminates the desk without causing screen reflection. Additionally, this model comes with a backlight that balances any light contrast between the monitor and the surrounding environment. It also has three eye care setting modes: front light, backlight, and a mode for both. One of the cooler features of this model is that it comes with a wireless controller that looks pretty slick. It has an optical tracking sensor and a wheel that allows you to rotate to adjust light color and brightness to your liking. The screen bar itself is actually very sturdy to hold and feels very premium and looks very well designed. It has a lot of protective packaging, so let's get this all opened up. This is also where the backlight sits. It comes with a standard USB connection which you can easily just plug into the back of your computer. One of the additional features of this model is that it's compatible with curved monitors and has an extra adapter just for this. Let's grab these batteries and slot them into the wireless controller. You can easily open up the back plate and slot these right in. What's also really handy is that the device helps to maximize the battery life as it automatically hibernates when not in use after 5 seconds. Now let's install this on top of my front monitor. It's actually super easy to set this up as the counterweight clamp design means that you can easily place this in the position you want. From the front, I think the Screen Bar Halo looks really slick. The minimal design will elevate and complement any desk setup. As you can see around the back, the weighted clamp comfortably sits in position and is still highly adjustable at all times. Let's plug the USB into the wall and try to ignore all these messy wires. With a single touch on the wireless controller, you can turn on the light. The icon on the top left is a mode in which you can control the colour of your lights. Turn the wheel left for cooler tones and then turn the wheel right for warmer tones. This gives you really precise control over your light, and I love how customizable it is. You can also press the button at the bottom to switch the backlight on or off. Now let's try and create a new preset and save it into the wireless controller. I think I kind of want it to be quite bright, and in terms of the temperature, I think that's about right. I think if it's too warm, it might make me sleepy. So I'm just gonna make it just a touch warm. And now you can press and hold the heart button for 3 seconds when you want to save the adjustment as a preset. Done. So that's it. Pretty slick. The wireless controller has a motion sensor, so you can wave your hand over it to wake up the device and then press the button to switch the light on. Now let's install the camera accessory. I'm keeping the sticker on at the moment, but demonstrating how you would install it on top of the screen bar. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this video helpful at all, please do drop a like and comment down below. Subscribe for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.